So I'm going to look at you through the reflection on the camera here. Hopefully my face isn't in the tape line, although it definitely could be. I'll move over a little bit. So I've finished all the compounding yesterday, so it's Sunday morning now. I'm going to be starting the polishing. So I've got the Supreme Polish Step 2 from Oberk. I've got their yellow pad here. It's a 5-inch pad. And so I'm just going to do a 50-50. I'll polish this side here, and then we'll see what it looks like compared to the side that was just compounded, which already massive improvement over what I definitely was dealing with. So since I'm just starting out with this pad, I'm going to put 3 drops on here. So we're going to see what that looks like just after 2 passes. And of course, I forgot to grab a new microfiber every time. Let me grab the light. Oh, that is nice and shiny. So let me wipe down the other side here. I'll do a side by side. You can really see a nice difference. So if we look over here, how clear the reflection is, no hazing. And I've got all the hazing still from the first step, but like I talked about yesterday, I removed like 80-ish% of the defects. This paint was trashed. And with a nice polish, look how clear that is. So, really like these products. This is doing as good a work as anything I've seen. So, now on to polishing the rest of the car. So, I didn't record that much me doing the compounding. I think I'm going to set up the camera and let it run most of today and just maybe make like some kind of time-lapse thing of me polishing the whole car. So, see if I got enough batteries for that. So here I go. All right, so I finally have finished polishing everything. I'm starting to peel off some of the tape here. So last things I got to do are little handles inside of here, and then all the trim around the windows. And I'm going to do on the trunk here, around the badge, around the CTS. I got to put the V badge back on here, and yeah, do the trim on this side too. And once that's done, then I'll actually get to finally apply the coating. And that'll be it for tonight. And then clean up this train wreck. Look at that, just absolute disaster.